On this week's 2-minute tip, we're talking about elephant garlic. So here in the Deep South, it's really difficult to grow the traditional garlic varieties like your soft neck or your hard neck garlic because it just doesn't get cold enough down here in the wintertime. But what we can grow really well is elephant garlic. So elephant garlic is actually a leek, but it looks like garlic, pretty much tastes like garlic, and it's really easy to grow, and we've enjoyed growing it over the last few years. Elephant garlic seed stock can be a little bit pricey and sometimes hard to come by. So we always like to take last year's crop and use it to plant the following years. So when we harvest our elephant garlic in late spring, we'll put it on the drying rack underneath the barn just like we do our onions, and then we'll consume some of it throughout the year and we'll save some for seed stock to plant the following winter. And when we're ready to plant our elephant garlic, we just break apart those big bulbs into the individual cloves, and that's our elephant garlic seed stock. To plant elephant garlic, you first need to make you a small trench or a furrow to put the garlic cloves in. So I took my double wheel hoe with the plow set in the furrowing position, and I ran down the intended row there and made me a nice little 3 to 4 inch deep furrow to put my elephant garlic cloves in. Then I took my elephant garlic cloves and laid them down in that furrow with the pointed ends up, and I spaced them about 8 to 10 inches apart. You could probably put them a little bit closer than that, but with the amount of seed stock I have, that worked out perfect for the row I was planting. Then I took my high arch wheel hoe, because I had some plows on that were in the hilling position, and I straddled that row of planted garlic cloves, went along there and covered them up nicely with those plows. Now garlic, because it's related to onions, is a heavy feeder. So once those leaves emerge from the ground, we want to make sure we give it plenty of water and nutrients so we can grow out some nice big bulbs to have for seed stock next year. So if you've never tried elephant garlic, definitely give it a try. I think you'll really be happy with how easy it is to plant, how easy it is to grow, and how easy it is to store and save seeds year after year. I hope you enjoyed this week's 2-minute tip. We'll see you next week.